Keough Bosworth is proud and scared as hell to announce that she is expanding her family. Keough's daughter revealed her pregnancy news in a Thursday Instagram post, writing that baby no. 4 is due in November. The 34-year-old debuted her bump in sweet family photos taken on the beach with husband Kyle Bosworth, daughter Decca, 7, and son Vaughan, 2. The couple previously welcomed son McCoy in April 2020, but the infant died 6 days after his arrival due to childbirth complications. A post shared by Keough Bosworth at Keough, 3 years after his passing, Keough is now experiencing a reluctance to let the excitement of her pregnancy fully absorb. However, she noted, "It should be a happy occasion that my kids are getting another sibling. I can't deny that it feels right that those that have sat with us on our grieving bench should have a seat in our joy swings too." With that in mind, the Bravo chose to make her news public, admitting that she was also pressured by Decker and Jaina, 67, not being able to keep a secret for St. Keough's daughter felt proud and scared as hell about the announcement. Her son McCoy died in April 2020 due to childbirth complications. Keough's Instagram ahead of the first anniversary of his passing, Keough gave birth to son Vaughan. Keough's Instagram notably, Keough did not tell anyone that didn't need to know when she was pregnant with Vaughan, her rainbow baby.